caterpillar math that I am going to do with you. So we're gonna play a math game, but this is something that you can make at home too if you want and if you have everything. So things that you are going to need and things that we're going to use today is I made a caterpillar. Here's my caterpillar. Does it look like our very hungry caterpillar from our story? Oh, let me grab my story out. Kind of. You know what I made this out of? A toilet paper roll. So I just colored a toilet paper roll the very hungry caterpillar colors. So if you want to make this at home, you can color your toilet paper roll however you want. Here's my eyes. The other things that you're going to need are some little balls or something little. So I have some sparkly pom-poms that I'm going to use. So I'm just going to dump these. I don't think I need all of these, but we'll just dump them all on the table. So I've got a big pile of pom-poms that I'm going to use. And you can use something like buttons. You can use little pieces of paper. You can use anything. But we're going to use pom-poms for ours today. I'm just trying to find a way to get it so you can see my table better. Let me put you up here. All right. So I'm just gonna put you down there. Awesome. Okay, so are you ready for some very hungry caterpillar math? The last thing you are going to need are some dice. So if you don't have any of these, I'll show you how to make a dice at home on your own. If you are still working on counting the number on the dice, then just use one. If you think that you can add two dice together, the numbers on two dice together, then you can use two dice. We're going to start with one, and then we'll get to two. So I'm going to bring my cup back out here because that's where I'm going to put my very hungry caterpillar food. So my caterpillar is very, very hungry. My caterpillar is saying, I want to eat some pom-poms. So you're going to take your dice and you're going to roll it. Let me roll. Oh, what number did I get? I got the number 2. 1, 2. So how many pom-poms am I going to eat? Not me, my caterpillar. 2 pom-poms. Okay, so you're going to scoop up 1, 2. Oops, and they fell out the back. That's a good thing. So I scooped up 2 pom-poms, and I'm going to put them in my cup. 1, 2. Awesome. Let's try again. Let's roll the die. Oops, let me roll again because I messed it up. Oh my goodness, I keep getting this number. What number is this? The number 1. So my caterpillar is just going to eat 1 pom-pom. 1 pom-pom. Yum. It's going to dump it in the cup. Okay, now we're going to get a little tricky. We're going to put 2 dice together. So I'm going to roll both of them, and then we'll add the numbers together. Here we go. Uh-oh, one fell on the floor. Let's re-roll. Ooh, okay. You ready? So what's this number? 1, 2. What's this number? 1, 2, 3. 2 and 3. Should we count how many dots we have all together? Let's do it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 3 plus 2 is 5. So how many pom-poms is our caterpillar going to eat? 5 pom-poms. Let's eat 5 pom-poms. Can you count with me? Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh my goodness. Okay, and we'll just put them all back into this cup. Way to go, caterpillar. Let's do it again. Okay, here we go. Gonna shake our dice up. Ooh, okay. What's this number? 5. Yeah, let's count. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What's this number? 3. Let's count. 1, 2, 3. So 5 plus 3. Should we see what number we get? Okay, so remember we have 5 here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's add 3 more. 6, 7, 8. So 5 plus 3 is 8. Whoa, our caterpillar must be getting pretty full. He's going to eat 8 pom-poms. Here we go. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, might not be able to fit them all. 7, 8. Oh, yum. Let's put all those pom-poms back in this cup. 8 caterpillars. Let's do one more and see what number we get. Here we go. Okay, so our first number is 2. Yeah, 1, 2. Plus, what's this number right here? Oh, let me put my 2 down. 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So let's add them together. 2 plus 4 is, let's start with 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2 plus 4 is 6. So how many pom-poms is our caterpillar going to eat? 6 pom-poms. Okay, count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 pom-poms. And so when I'm putting the pom-poms in, I kind of put my hand over the back because otherwise the pom-poms will fall out the back. Or you can just have it over a cup. All right, 6 pom-poms going in. Woohoo! Thank you for doing some caterpillar math with me. So I want to show you a way that you can make your own die at home if you don't have dice like this. So I just took some paper, and you can find some stuff online. Your mom and dad could, but if you don't have a printer or anything, it's kind of hard. So what I did was I cut out a square, and I used the square and I measured it to make sure that I had 6 squares that made the shape of a T. So I put a square here, and I just drew around it. 1, 2, and then I didn't draw anything in the middle because there's a square by itself. 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 squares. So there's 6 squares in the shape of a T, and then you cut it out. I have my pieces back here, so maybe I can piece it together. I just thought I would test it before anything. So this is what my paper looked like. I had my shape drawn in here. I can't hold it all. And then I cut it out, and then you have to fold on all those square lines. So you fold, 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 and fold the top over. And then you get a square. And then you take some handy dandy tape and you tape it together. This way, if you make your own die, this way you can write your own numbers on it. So before you tape, if you're going to make your own die, I would write your numbers on it first. So I'm going to write some numbers on here quick. So what numbers should I write? Maybe I should write, I'm going to write some big numbers. So I'm going to write like the number 10. 1 and 0 is 10. I'm going to write the number 9. There's my number 9. And so I have to make sure that I have enough pom-poms to put 10 in his mouth and 9 in his mouth. We'll just keep counting down. So then I'm going to write the number 8. What number comes before 8? You got it? 7. And then I've got another number. What comes before 7? 6. One more. 5. You got it. So then you can tape your die together. And it might not be perfect. Mine definitely is not perfect. So you just take some tape and you tape all the sides together and make your own die at home if you don't have any dice. So just like this. And I'm going to do one more piece of tape to tape this guy up. I probably would put more tape on here, but I don't want to have you watch me tape my die together for the whole video. Perfect. So there's my die, and it's not perfect. I might do some trimming because you can kind of see that my number 10 is a little bit taller than the rest. But when you roll it, you get a number. What number did we get? The number 7. Yeah, so then we'd put 7 pom-poms in our caterpillar's mouth. Awesome! Well, I hope that you can make this game at home, and I hope you had fun with me. So now it's time for me to wish you well. So who should we put in our hearts today? All your family at home, absolutely. And your school family. Let's do it. Ready? Take a breath through your nose and wish them well. We wish you well. We wish you well. We wish you well. All through the day today, we wish you well. I wish you well, boys and girls, and I will see you all tomorrow on Tuesday for our morning meeting. Have a great day. Bye.